Hello students, how you all are? I hope you all people are doing very well. Student, this is again the third part with the continuation of the chapter. That is with the English classes. Puri ma'am is back with you. Let me remind you, we were doing the last leaf which was written by O. Hannery. Last video, we came to know that there was a girl, Chauncey, who was about to die as she thought because she's suffering with pneumonia, and she was just having a look on the ivy creeper, and the last leaf was left on the ivy creeper, and it was her mentality that she wanted to die. She made up her mind that as soon as the leaf will fall, in the same manner she will also fall from the life and she will die. So just to take her friend out, Sue ran towards Burham. There was another old painter of 60 years old, and he just wanted to make his masterpiece ever. Still he waited, he didn't make yet. He was just waiting when he could make his masterpiece. So he went to Burham. He lives in the same story at the last round, and he discussed everything about the Chauncey. Sue discussed everything about the Chauncey to the Burham, and Burham told, okay, don't worry, I'll come and I'll see what has happened with her. Now, with the continuation of the same, let's have a look what has happened next. He repeated, I will come with you and see Chauncey, Burham said. Sue. They tiptoed. Tiptoed means they make a noise. They tiptoed into the Chauncey was sleeping. Sue drew the curtains together and they went to next room. She peeped out through the window. Means she drew the curtains together again, just covered the curtain, and then they went to the next room, and from the very next room, Sue has made Burham to see what's there outside. So she peeped out. Peeped out means jhagna, to look out through the window. There was only one leaf on the creeper. Now that creeper or the ivy creeper having only single leaf. You could see here in the picture, here is the leaf which is shown over there. Single leaf was there. And then it was raining. Cold wind was not only raining, even the icy cold wind was blowing. It was too cold, very much cold it is. Wind is blowing, and this blowing of wind made it more cold. The weather became very, very cold. And in such a rainy, heavily season, or in such a wind blowing season, it seemed as though the leaf would fall any minute now. And she was afraid of that किसी भी समय, किसी भी moment पे ये जो last leaf है इतनी हवा चल रही है, कभी भी गिर सकती है. Burham didn't say a word, but Burham didn't say anything else. He went back to his room. He came back and he went back to his room. Chauncey woke up next morning in a feeble voice. Feeble means weak voice. She asked Sue to draw the curtains, means to remove the curtain aside. Sue was nervous because she thought obviously last night it was raining very heavily. The wind was blowing very fastly. So obviously the last leaf must have fallen down. But she drew back the curtains very reluctantly, unwillingly. She was not willing to open the curtain. Oh, Sue exclaimed as she looked at the vine creeper. Look, there is still one leaf. And she was very much surprised. See, unwillingly she opened the curtain in the request of Chauncey, but she was herself very much surprised, and she exclaimed with wonder or surprise that there is still, the last leaf is still on there. On the creeper, the last leaf is still on the creeper. It looks quite green and healthy, and not only it's on the creeper, even the leaf became green also and healthy also. Earlier you could imagine yourself the green like this. These all are the very green, but when it is autumn season, so the leaves became pale, and gradually the leaves used to fade the trees. So yesterday when Sue and Chauncey both have seen the leaves, ivy creeper, when they both have seen, so the leaf was very much pale and very much weak and about to fall down. But and it was very much stormy weather also yesterday. Even then also, next day when they found the last leaf, that last leaf was not only became strong, it became more green or more healthy, and it still remained on the ivy creeper. So, in spite of the storm and fierce winds, it didn't fall. I heard the wind last night, said Johnsy. I thought it would have fallen. It will surely fall today, then I'll die. Even now, also, she is expecting if yesterday's wind couldn't fall it, so in today's wind, surely the leaf will fall. And with the falling of this leaf, it's very sure today I will die. So Sue replied, You won't die, said Sue energetically. You have to live for your friends. What would happen to me if you die? I mean, what I'll do if you won't be with me, then how will I survive? I need you. Johnsy smiled weakly and closed her eyes. After every hour or so, she would look out of the window and find the leaf still there. It seems to be clinging to the creeper. Clinging means attached. जिसे कहते हैं ना चिपक जाना, बिल्कुल स्टिक हो जाना. क्रीपर से वो बिल्कुल चिपक रखी थी. मतलब it's not even shaking, it's not even falling down, it's looking more green and more healthy. And she was just looking every time after every hour. In the evening, there was another storm, but the leaf didn't fall. Johnsy lay for a long time looking at the leaf. Then she called out Sue. And then Johnsy was also looking next day, and even then also she didn't find it, fell down. I have been a bad girl. You have looked after me so lovingly, and I have not cooperated with you. I have been depressed and gloomy. The last leaf has shown me how wicked I have been. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die. Now, finally, that last leaf made her understand that she was wrong. That is why she realized or accepted that she was a bad girl, because she that how my friend Sue was looking after me, taking care of me so lovingly, and I was not cooperating her of recovering or becoming a recovery way. But I was just wanted to die because I have been depressed and gloomy, sad. So, and the last leaf, but the last leaf has given her a message that how wicked. Wicked means bad. I have been. I have realized that it is a sin. Sin means a thing which should not be done. जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं पाप करना या कुछ गलत ऐसा सोचना. टू वॉन्ट टू डाई मीन्स अगर ऐसा हम सोचते भी हैं कि हमें मर जाना चाहिए तो वो भी अपने आप में एक गलत चीज़ है. इट्स अ सिन टू वॉन्ट टू डाई इवन. So in this para we came to know that she has realized. Sue hugged Johnsy, then she gave her lots of hot soup and mirror. Johnsy combed her hair and smiled brightly. So this para shows that gradually she is recovering, combing her hair also, having a smile on face also, and they were hugging each other also. The friend is survived finally. Now what has happened? In the afternoon, the doctor, after examining his patient, he told Johnsy now has the will to live. I am confident she will recover soon. Now I must go downstairs and see Burham. Now with the help of doctor, Johnsy was able to recover now, because now, and why she is recovered? Because now she want to live. That is why she has been recovered. So after examining his patient, he told Sue Johnsy now has the will to live. I am confident she will recover soon. Now I must go to downstairs to see Burham. Burham, would you remember? The same man of 60 years old to whom Sue told that what happened with Johnsy and how she wanted to die. So with the help of doctor, they both came to know that even Burham is also suffering with pneumonia. But I'm afraid there is no hope for him. But because he was in old age also, and there is no hope for him to recover, so this made them clear, or this made them understand that how the Burham is suffering with pneumonia. Even they both are not aware about why he suffered with that, but right now they came to know only about, and they must have decided, I think, to leave afterwards to have a look on him, what's over there. But it's a time exceeding. In the next video we will get to know what has happened at the end of the chapter. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.